Italy, birthplace of the Renaissance, is home to much of the world's art treasures. This alone would make it a hub for the conservation of valuable works of art. But in 1966, something happened that pushed the city of Florence to become internationally recognised as the centre for art restoration and conservation. One of the most devastating floods ever to hit a European city struck Florence after a third of the region's annual rainfall fell in just 2 days. At its peak, the waters of the Arno River rose 6 metres above the quays, rushing through narrow streets, killing 30 people and damaging buildings, precious books and historic works of art. Close to the river, the Uffizi Gallery and the Santa Croce Church and Museum were among the hardest hit by the deluge. The Opificio Restoration Laboratories are still dealing with the aftermath of the 1966 flood. Restoration starts with a thorough chemical analysis, an X-ray and even CAT scans to understand the makeup of each piece and the possible effects of different cleaning methods. When Giorgio Vasari's depiction of the Last Supper, painted in 1546, was being treated, its sheer scale presented restorers with problems. The 6 by 2.6 metre work had been coated with alluvial sludge since the flood. The paint has blistered. Its plaster undercoating disintegrated and wood panel backing warped, and it could take years just to make the decision whether anything can be done to save it. The work being done at the Opificio is painstaking and very slow, but not everybody agrees that the damaged pieces should be restored. They say time should be allowed to leave its mark.